Hi everyone, I'm here once again for another sharing. Sometimes we decide to unplug, we decide to disconnect for a while because we need the time to rest, relax, recharge, rejuvenate, and to realign ourselves before we can reconnect. So, that period when we disconnect, I remember what I'm saying is I'm just going to say it once again: disconnect, not break away, not distancing for good, but disconnecting. During this absence, some people think that you don't want to have anything to do with them, or you just want to distance yourself. And then because of that, they have a wrong impression of you, they have a wrong perception of you. Because why? They want to fit you in their box, and the moment you don't fit in their box, they would move away from you. So most importantly, you need to understand at that period of time, you come to understand that who are the true ones, and who are the ones who just want you to be like a benefit to them. The moment you don't benefit them, and that's it, they distance themselves. So at this period of time, you need to understand that not everyone is for you. Those who are meant for you will be in your journey. As you go along this journey, some will come for a reason, season, or maybe for a lifetime. And everyone has a purpose in your journey. And of course, you come to learn how to make healthy boundaries, how to put up healthy boundaries, how to say no, how to say yes, or when to say no, when to say yes. All this you would learn as you go along. So be kind to yourself. Be kind to yourself even if they don't accept you, or if they're not there for you. Okay, because as you go along in this journey called life, there are people who come in, people who go, and the ones who are meant to be will stay. Everyone has got a purpose and reason to play in our lives. So let's not beat ourselves up and say that, because I was away and I had to leave. And you don't have to seek anyone's approval. You don't have to seek anyone's approval. Know your self-worth. Know your self-worth first. When you know your self-worth, people who are meant for you will come. And there's something that I think we need to learn. Self-worth is something that we need to know for ourselves and not seek approval from others. Thank you.